Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using palm dots and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is -2, B is -1, C is 1 and D is 2. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we will apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parentheses, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve the division and multiplication and division. So what we have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first. We can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. So according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket or parenthesis. So what we have to do, we have here two brackets. One is this one, 3 plus 1, and other one is 5 plus 1. So what we have to do, we have to write 4 divided by 3 plus 1 equals 4, multiplied by 5 plus 1 we will write here as, and divided by 6. Here we have to write as it. And here we have to give the reference 3 plus 1 equals to 4. Now move forward. Step number 1 we have solved. Now we have to go for step number 2, which is 5 plus 1. So what we have to do, we have to go left to right and find out which is like bracket, which bracket is coming. So now we have 5 plus 1, which is equal to 6. And divided by 6, we will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 5 plus 1 equals to 6. Now move forward. We have solved the bracket. Now we have to see exponent part or order of operation. So what we have to see, like we do not have any number which has the power, so we can skip this one. Now move forward for division and multiplication or multiplication and division. So now we have to see, we have to go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So now we have 4 divided by 4, which is equals to 1, multiplied by 6 and divided by 6, we will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference like 4 divided by 1. Now we have to go for next numbers. Now we have to go left to right again and find out which is coming first. So now this time we have 6 multiplied by 1. It becomes 6 and divided by 6, we will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 1 multiplied by 6 equals to 6. Now move forward, we have to solve. We have two numbers, 6 divided by 6. So we have to solve, it becomes 1. So the answer of the given expression is 1. If you see the answer list, so answer C is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.